Hello. The power-reducing formulas allow us to take an expression that has a second power of sine, cosine, or tangent and write it as an expression that has cosine of double angle that has the power of 1. So all these expressions on the right side have cosine with exponent 1 and double angle. Now let's see how we can use these formulas to reduce the powers in these two examples. I will start this example down here because these problems have a lot of steps and we need as much space as possible. So once we have this expression down here, we will replace sine squared of x with the first formula and cosine squared of x with the second. So we will write 16 times fraction 1 minus cosine of 2x over 2 times 1 plus cosine of 2x over 2. In the denominator, 2 times 2 is 4, and 16 divided by 4 will be 4. So we will cross 2, and in place of 16, we will write 4. And now we have 4, and in one parenthesis 1 minus cosine of 2x, and in another one 1 plus cosine of 2x. Now to multiply these two expressions, we will use the formula a plus b times a minus b equals a squared minus b squared. So we will bring down 4, and according to this formula, 1 minus cosine of 2x times 1 plus cosine of 2x is 1 minus cosine squared of 2x. So again, 1 squared is 1, and cosine of 2x squared is cosine squared of 2x. Now from here we have to continue because the goal of this problem is to reduce the power, and this expression still has the power of 2. So we will continue by distributing 4, and let's continue up here with 4 minus 4 cosine squared of 2x. And now to reduce the power of cosine, we will use this formula one more time. And we have to remember to double the angle. So if this angle is 2x, now this one will be 4x. So let's bring down 4 minus 4 times fraction. Then here we will write 1 plus cosine of 4x over 2. So we reduced the power and doubled the angle. And now let's divide 4 by 2. 4 divided by 2 is 2. And now we have 4 minus 2 parenthesis 1 plus cosine of 4x. Then again we will distribute and we will have 4 minus 2 cosine of 4x. Then 4 minus 2 is 2, so we will have 2 minus 2 cosine of 4x. And this is the simplified expression, and as you see, we reduced the power from 2 to 1. Now let's start the second example, and again I will bring it down here. And in this example we have 2 sine to the fourth power of x. In the first step we will bring down 2 and we will rewrite sine to the fourth power of x as sine squared of x all squared. Then inside the parentheses we will replace sine squared of x with the first formula. So now we will have 2 parentheses 1 minus cosine of 2x over 2 all to the second power. Now to raise a fraction to the second power, we will raise the numerator to the second power, then the denominator to the second power. Now, in the numerator, we have a difference of two expressions, and to raise it to the second power, we will use the following formula. A minus b squared equals a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. So let's bring down 2, then parenthesis, fraction, then 1 minus 2 cosine of 2x plus cosine squared of 2x. And all this over 4, because 2 to the second power equals 4. Now let's divide both 2 and 4 by 2, and this will give us 2 in the denominator. And now let's write this expression as a sum of three fractions. The first one will be 1 over 2. The next one, negative 2 cosine of 2x over 2. And the third one, cosine squared of 2x over 2. So again, we will write 1 over 2 minus 2 cosine of 2x over 2 plus cosine squared of 2x over 2. In the second fraction, we will cancel 2, and we will rewrite this as 1 over 2 minus cosine of 2x plus, and now I will write the third term as 1/2 times cosine squared of 2x. And we are not done with this problem yet because we still have a cosine with exponent 2. So to reduce this power, we will use the second formula and we will double the angle. So if this angle is 2x, then in this formula we will write 4x. Let's bring down 1/2 minus cosine of 2x plus 1/2 times, and now let's use the formula, and we will have 1 plus cosine of 4x over 2. Then here we have a product of two fractions, and in the denominator 2 times 2 is 4. So we can rewrite this as 1/2 minus cosine of 2x plus 1 plus cosine of 4x over 4. To simplify more, I will write this fraction as a sum of two fractions where the first one is 1 over 4 and the second one is cosine of 4x over 4. So then we will have 1/2 minus cosine of 2x plus 1 over 4 plus cosine of 4x over 4. Now we can combine these two fractions together, and for this we need the same denominator. So we will multiply the numerator and the denominator of the first fraction by 2, and now 2 over 4 plus 1 over 4 makes 3 over 4. So then we will have 3 over 4 minus cosine of 2x plus cosine of 4x over 4. So this is the simplified expression, and we reduced the power from 4 to 1. Thank you for watching the video, and I hope I went through all the steps, but if you still have any questions, please let me know in the comments below. Thank you.